In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the display of the mouse pointer while typing on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select where it says mouse. And then there should be something that says hide pointer while typing. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.